This is number 81 Marvel vertical bandsaw with power in feed. He's got the power blade guide going up and down. Real easy. It's a lever right on the side there. You see the capacity. He's got power tilt. He pulls the switch whichever direction he's going, and pulls the hand wheel, and you can see him tilting, and as soon as he lets go of the switch, it locks. Now he's going back the other way. And there is an indicator on the guide in the back he'll look at to get it to 0. And then as soon as he lets go of that switch, it locks. So he's going to double check it and make sure it's 0. Right on? Okay. All right. And there's your fast approach. Fast retract. He's got the blade on. And now he's opening a valve which sets the feed rate. You can see it traveling in, but it's slow. Fast if you had material in, right? Large piece. Okay, I'll come over there. I'll stay back a little way. You see it approaching the vices. Okay.
Blade speeds.
Let me zoom in on that. Okay. Where are you at right now? 60 foot per minute?
Feet per minute.
Yep.
I don't know if you can see the blade or not.
Okay. A little bit, not a little bit. He's cranking it way up. And all you do is rotate that dial right there, right?
340 feet per minute.
Okay.
VISE.
It's got hydraulic clamping, and how it works, the hydraulic vise is
Set this wherever you want it.
yeah, you set the back wherever you want, and then you have the cylinder right here that clamps, if you notice that. There's a nice feature on here too. It's got a chip, I want to call it, it scrapes the metal and pulls the chips. I'll show you on the other side. It comes around and...
Let me show you this feature.
Oh, okay, there's a feature here while I'm on this side of the machine.
When you open the VISE, you clamp the VISE.
Yeah.
This lifts it up to the little part in.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
And then it drops down. This one's a little above to begin with.
So
And that's actually coming up.
it lifts up so that the part can slide in easier. Okay, now I'll go back over to this side. So it's got these tracks that run through the base of the machine. It keeps pulling chips out. So you can put a chip tray down on the side and it'll dump the chips right into it. And it'll recycle to the back. He's running RPM up out of a foot per minute up on the blade. Here comes the chip removal. Comes around. Done. punch it and starts all back over again. There's another one coming up, speeding up. Okay.
That's everything.
Okay.